Yeah, so now I'll be performing the field tests. So as you can see, right now this is the manual mode. I'm able to control it. It's moving as per my command. Now I'll get it perfectly in line with this structure here, so that you can see after it gets locked how it actually performs, the additive stability. As you can see right now, I put it in the lock mode, I'm not controlling it. You can see it's trying to get back to the same angle. Now I manually try to disturb it. As you can see, it's trying to get back to the same angle. Now I can again change it by putting it back to the manual mode. Now as you can see, I can control the position, and say if I want to fix it to this position now, I can again put it in the feedback loop. Now as you can see, I have no control over it. It's trying to get back to the same angle. Right now the threshold for the deviation is 2 degrees on either side. We can reduce that and then make it more precise if required.